really tough for us to speak from the stage. I mean, right now Olympics are going. Over. So I got messages that this they got this, they got this. I mean, I cannot. I'm not an emotional guy, but by seeing this, I have not got these type of gifts, these type of. I mean, what you can say? I have not got anything. In 2004, I passed out from IIT Madras. I am the best outgoing student from IIT Madras. What does that mean? The best salary in the 2004 from IIT Madras. I think Hari can know. 4 people got the job. I am one of them. We never felt. See, I got it. So what? We never felt that. I mean, this much. I mean, we have not done anything. I mean, just starting up. If you see, how many have seen the Amway spin levels? Platinum it's third one. If you see from bottom, it is the third one. Silver, gold, platinum. If you see the total founders crown ambassador, we have not started actually. You can say like we have not started tasting the money of Amway. We feel that we are getting some money, but this is the first time I felt really thank all my uplines. We felt like, at least I felt very special. Let me give it to Pravina. She will explain.
First of all, I really thank God for giving us this opportunity. And Badri, because of him only I am in the business. If not he, I don't know where I would have been there. He was dominating on me to build this business. And after listening really what Badri told, listening from my uplines, completely mind became blank now. I prepared a lot to share my thoughts. I don't know how many I can tell you all, but I did not expect what in their thoughts, in their mind, what they are having about us. And really, I clearly remember how I had started, how first time when I went to Sandeep Shruti's home, and when they came, when we met Sam and Mithiti, all things I clearly remember. Once an Ankur also says in one event, he tells that any person if we signed up, he or she will clearly remember first thing what we have done with them. And what my uplines have done to me, I really remember that. And those moments when I think these 2 days I was crazily thinking and just those things are only coming into me. And what recognition we got today, actually for Platinum Ship, this is too much I feel. Oh my God, what an album. And our team is also really, we are very blessed to have our team and I'm so amazed. Actually, one more thing I want to tell you is like I really love to have albums in our house, but somehow Badri is not towards it. But after coming to business, instead of putting albums, we started pasting all the quotations, goals, whatever. If anyone will come, you will understand. Our bedroom, 4 walls are surrounded with goals, quotations. And some for him, some for me, whatever like that. So, I don't know, I have a special place for this album as well. Thank you uplines, thank you downlines very much. And let me start, as already my uplines told about my background. So, we are 3 sisters and 1 brother and my dad is into business. So, I never felt that he actually came from very small level. He has struggled a lot and came. But I don't know, according to him, it was the right thing that his daughter should never work hard. So his attitude was that, his intention is like I should only work hard. So we were provided everything, whatever the best he was giving and we were very much satisfied. And that thought process only I was also having after I got married. I had my own house, we got own car. So I was very much happy about what I was having. After that, Badri was such a person that he always wanted to do something. Before our marriage, I have completed my BCom, so I have selected in Genpact company. So, but simply for casually I went, I got selected. Of course, I got my settled, so I have not joined also. But he was towards it. Are you interested to do something? But he was not ever. He have never thought from my side that I should earn an income. But he did not wanted me to sit idle at home. And from my side, I have never thought that I would work. But I thought, let me do something, that's it. And that also to put very less time and to become a housewife is what my goal, because my mom was carrying this. She had made us grow so nicely, so that is what my thought process was also. So he was doing lot of stuff for me, for not sitting at home idle. He was feeling that, I don't know, I may become dull or inactive, I may become my mind. So he was not so much interested. So I have got a job in a school, so I worked there for few months. Then there were a lot of politics, and I did not like also working on Saturdays. Only I had quit the school job because I did not want to work on Saturdays, leaving him at home alone. Because software, right, he will be sitting. So only for that reason I have quit. And the important thing is, like, when I joined in that school, I asked whether Saturday school is there, means they told no. The school is called Presidency School. So they told no. But after I joined, principal changed, management changed, so they told Saturdays. So after that 2 months I carried, then I quit. So that was my thought process, not to work, to give him full time. So after that, when I went to my hometown, Hari called Badri, and that is what story you can connect. Sandeep told what happened. So he was very fired up, and over the phone he was telling me all good things about the business, like the people are very sharp, very nice, loving, and the way the ladies and men get ready, you really love it. You will love attending those functions. All those stuff he was telling. So something was running in my mind that he have signed up, and he's not telling me, just telling some good things, I thought. But I was never thinking like, let me stop him. It was not my attitude. But slowly, what culture, what Sandeep and Shruti were telling, like late nights, all those things, I was not towards it. So night time, after coming back from night owl meeting, we have a fight. Shortly, almost every time I was getting fight with him. Why this business? You have done your right, I was telling him. But he was telling, okay, we shall quit. Morning we'll get up, he will play a scene. So I was thinking, how come this much I tried night, morning, only to sleep. He was telling, okay, chalo, we shall quit. And he was telling me one word, if not this, what else? We have a lot of dreams, right? But I actually was not having any dreams, because I was not comparing also. I was very much happy with our house. So that was his attitude towards business. As I told, he was always wanted, along with his job, he wanted to do something. Before business itself, he was talking to me about royalty income. So something like a cane crush. So many things he may talk about it. So cane crush, we shall open. So what is the investment? Lot of research. He's so much into anything, means he will grab the information like anything. I was like, simply take it light. I was not at all bothering about anything. Just cool, peace, staying at home. That's it. So that from that background, he made me to come into the functions. I have come to the functions because of him. He will tell, I am going to PACE. I know if you go to PACE, half Sunday is over. So what I'll do at home, sitting at home. I was not towards watching serials or TV much. So I thought, okay, I'll also come. So that is how I was following him, because he was going to functions very much, means not even a single function. If we had any other associations, means personal family functions also, he was not attending that. He was telling, let me go to that. So I was also obviously going along following with him, only because I wanted to be with him. So that's how it started. One day I called my mom and I told, this is what is happening. So I don't know why he is too much towards it. We are having pretty good things. My mom told, he is actually doing a good thing. Why are you stopping him? She told. And she also asked me, before marriage, how were you? Means I was towards all the things, like what all extracurricular activities, like cooking classes, mehendi classes. Means I was not wasting my time. In our hometown, whatever we were getting, I was all things I was attending, computer class, this, that, everything. Day one, means from my childhood onwards, summer vacation comes, my mom will be ready to put me into some class. Not only me, my brother and sisters also. So that was my thing. So she told, after marriage, just see how you have become. Morning to night, you'll sit at home, you'll wait for a weekend, you'll go to provision store like Spar or Total. Half day you'll spend your time, other half day you'll sit and watching movies. What is there in your life, she asked me. So I thought, okay, yes, something she is telling me is mom, right? So I have taken this decision. Of course, many challenges were coming between both of us also regarding this coming to function, by listening CDs, by like that. But still, if we have a fight at home at 7 o'clock and we have to start at 7:15 to come to open, I was ready to come to along with him. I have never quit any function because I had a fight with him. It doesn't mean that always we were fighting, but I'm just telling how, because he was giving so much priority to the functions, only because of functions only I am here. And one more important point is like never in my life I have holded a mic and spoke like this. In group song once I have participated, that's it, with the children of 25 students. Somewhere corner I was hiding because I thought like let me attend one function on the stage performance. So that was my character, means my personality was like that because I never had a stage. This one, all this have become because of one thing, Shruti. Pace meeting, she was giving the topic. I don't know if that was actually Shruti, I was scolding you also. Why Shruti should give me only topic? Many other ladies are also there, right? Why she should give me? So from that level I came here because of this system. I was not missing any functions. I clearly remember during my last months of pregnancy and after delivery, that was the time, and once or twice when I am not in town, that is what. I have overcome a lot of challenges, but still we have come here because of grid system. Really speaking, if not this business, I don't know where, if not grid system, I'm sure I would not be here. Holding mic without shivering is first time. But actually, it will not go into my body. First time Shruti had given me a topic for skin refinishing lotion. I don't know, I spoke for 10 minutes full of sweat. I actually don't get a sweat drop. On that day I got sweat. Martha was shaking, cap fell down. But after I talked, Shruti thought, you talk so nicely. Oh, for this talk, she's appreciating these things I clearly remember. One day Shruti, Sandeep, Shruti, Hari, Ramya, they have come to our home for kit opening products. So for S8 also she's opening and telling her, this small steps also they are teaching me to open S8 tab. She told me, see S8 we need to turn back and we need to push it like this and so that the paper will tear and we can remove and we can do the thing she told me. Oh, small things also they will teach, I thought. Who will teach about the product opening also? So that's how we started. Hari have called. Ramya have done lots of consultations because I was not towards much into the business. Maybe I was doing my personal consultations, means for my family. I was asking, this is the issue, this is that. But for team, my father-in-law's list, everything, Ramya did lots of consultations. So I'm really, always I think Ramya did lot of consultations. That is how we earned income initially. I always think of her. Yeah, how I realized like what is the potential of the business, how I realized is like, as I told you, I was not a good dreamer about business, but after we signed up, after few days, after our daughter Sonakshi is born, once I went to Mom and Me store. Before that also I was going lot of stores, but I never had a thought that I wanted this, I wanted that. I was not like that. But after she was born, I wanted to buy some stuff and I felt it's too costly for me to buy. That moment I decided that I should have this business. How much he can afford alone for me, single income. I was observing a lot of people in Bangalore. If I was meeting anyone also, they were asking me one question, are you working? I understood that, okay, cities like this, maybe women also need to work, I was thinking. And after she is born, I thought, oh my God, if I need to get something, I need to work, I thought. So that way I realized that this business I need, and slowly I was seeing lot of profile videos, Kumar's, lot of profile videos I was seeing. I was thinking that this is the lifestyle, and BBS conference, listening to the rally stories of them was really impacted me a lot actually. And listening to CDs also, I was not so much towards CDs, but he had good plans, right? So I need to listen to the CDs whenever is coming to function, or whenever I was sitting in the car, he was playing CDs. So that is how I started listening to CDs also. But one thing I liked in the PACE meeting is they were talking about books. That attracted me to come to the PACE. People were talking about books and sharing their thoughts. I really loved it. Because I don't know how it impacted me. One talk was on secret books, so it really impacted me to come and attend more functions and speak also. It made me. After coming here, my health improved a lot. I had small challenges like hemoglobin levels were slightly low, migraine headache it was too severely I was getting. Backache. It's not like patient type, but I was not so fit. After using Nutrilite, I became totally very fit. I didn't knew that. After some time, I went to my hometown. My hometown is in Orissa, Jaipur, Koraput district. So to go there, I need to travel over the ghat for almost 2 hours. So during that process, ghat journey, it was very tough for me to travel because lot of vomiting sensations, that sickness was there. After we started the business, after using the Nutrilite, I went and I did not feel that sickness. Then I realized that I improved a lot. After, as soon as I go into my house, my mom, they were ready for some stuff because they know that I feel too tired and come. They were ready with 2-3 stuffs like lemon water, warm water, this, that, they will not talk anything. So with that thought, they were there, and as soon as I came, reached, they were excited. How come are you the one? Then I told, yes, Nutrilite helped me really. So I am a big fan of Nutrilite. And I always used to speak, though my parents told me about Tadastu gods will be there, we need to speak positive, but slowly as I was grown up, I was not understanding the logic what it is. This business, Sandeep Shruti made lot of things, told about power of spoken words, grid system, everything. This one made me realize that power of spoken words really works. Here I understood that what is positive thinking, what is negative thinking. I have also tried tests knowingly, unknowingly I got the results. So amazing business actually. I really like Amway, but I have more love towards grid system. Because I know that how much I have changed. Positive thinking, negative thinking, many people would have known before business or you would know, but I was not knowing what is the difference. How it works, I don't know. Both of us were having lot of discussion about this. So I was telling him that the situation is going to happen, that is why I am understanding, that is why I am speaking negative. He was telling that you are speaking negative, that is why that situation is happening. So I was not able to convince him, he was not able to convince me. I was not able to tell him you are not understanding me. He was telling you are not able to understand what is the right thing. This secret, this magic of thinking big book, first time Sandeep have given me to read this book. So I thought, after reading first 3 chapters, I thought yes, worth attending these functions because I understood what is action, cure, sphere, all those things. Implementing lot of things are also there to work for myself. Yeah, and one most important thing I want to share with you, we had lot of challenges during my pregnancy also. So before business also I lost one pregnancy at around 5th month. After business, immediately at that time to take rest I have gone to my mom's home. So in that at moment only Sandeep, Hari have called Badri for business. So after few days we continued in the business. After that I was pregnant. So during my when my baby Sonakshi was in my womb, we had lot of challenges. So there we were, whatever doctor would have told us, we both were very strong in using Nutrilite. But luckily our doctor also told to use Nutrilite. So I used whatever supplements she told, I used all those things. So in between also last month around 6th, 7th, 5th months also we had many challenges. But only because of this system helped me to understand and speak power of spoken words and positive thinking. Our daughter have come very healthy out. I was crazily doing self-talk like anything. Crazily means crazily. If any time I was getting little fear also what's going to happen, 100 times I was reading that self-talk and it really worked. After my pregnancy, after delivery happened, doctor was amazed. She told, if not you both, I don't know how your baby would have come. Your both thought process only made your baby to come out so healthily, they told. So it was really in doctor's eyes also. Doctor was not so confident. Baby was growing, but baby's growth was not up to the expectation. But she could see drastic change in the growth along with her medication, along with the Nutrilite, most important thing is like thought process. So that is the reason, that thing only made me to stick into the business. I thought, leave about money. How much ever you learn, let it be. This business is something like a Gita for me. I have not gone through Gita. completely. But I felt like this is secret book. I was doing puja only during my pregnancy. That many times I was reading. Because I understood. If other than this thinking, there was no other option also for me, except to get that scary feelings or negative feelings. So I followed this system. Really, attending functions, reading books, it impacted me a lot, and changing also a lot. Yeah. As you all know, Telugu people, South Indians, we have lot of celebrations at home. Each and every festival my parents will call. We are three sisters, one brother. Two sisters, one brother. We were attending all the functions, all the festivals. For Pongal they will invite, for Diwali they will invite, for Dasara they will invite. Three main festivals they will invite. We are the ones who have not attended. Out of all these 6 years, 5 years, we have not attended any function, any celebration. Other than Badri's two brothers' marriages, my sister's marriage. Out of last 3 years, barely I went to my hometown, and each and every time I was going to my hometown, momentum gone. If I was going, I was not liking to come back to here. Plan was for 50 days, I was dragging for 20 days, 25 days, I was not even calling my uplinks. Shruti also, I was thinking if I'll call, she might tell me to come back, so I was not calling her also. Gone, momentum gone. So last 1 year, my Badri's younger brother Kedar's marriage happened, so we both have taken very strongly decision. If we continue like this, we are not going to go platinum, we are not going to achieve higher levels through this business. So we have taken very strong decision. Since last 11 months, I have not gone. Although many functions, many things, uncles, all the other cousins' marriages will happen there, but never I have attended. They are thinking wrong, let them think. But we are listening CDs, after one level we can go more than the others, right? So that one I have thought, and yeah, one most important thing I need to tell about Sandeep and Shruti, because I am here 100% because of Sandeep and Shruti's counseling. I don't know, till late nights we were sitting. Whenever we go for counseling, I will take long time. Sandeep also, just listening to Sandeep's words and understanding, I was loving like anything. And Shruti, no need to tell, if she was conducting in training, super fantastic. If promotion, fantastic. And most of the times I was losing the hope that I may not qualify for this promotion. Many times Shruti used to call, sometimes I used to call. After speaking to her, my PV was shooting. Because she was passing that hope and belief to me that yes, I can do it. And now I always remember whenever I speak to my team, I think about Shruti, how Shruti will speak to me. Let me speak like that. I have become like this. I need to learn to have Shruti as upline is really, I should be blessed. But still many things are there for me to learn from Shruti. Oh my God, tracking, bringing girls to the promotion, the way she will tell, she's very strong personality. If she thinks that should be done, I think like this. But when I talk to her, no, I should also make it done, I will think like that. Badri, I really love him a lot because he is the one, he made me to come here to this level. Going platinum is one more important thing for me to go platinum is the first major function for me is FED, summer conference in Chennai. Very hot temperature. I saw platinum's separate segment, no queue. For us, long queue was there. So I thought if we go platinum, then we'll get front seats. So in my mind, only thought it has become that I'll go platinum so that I can sit front. So next month onwards, this month onwards, I'm very happy to sit in that platinum rows. It is actually one of my big dreams. People may be crazy about what's that, but I don't know, that is a dream for me because I need not stand in a line. And next dream is like go diamond. If I need to not stand in the line, I need to go to emerald and beyond. So really, Sandeep, Shruti, we will prove you, I will prove myself that you will feel very happy about myself. I really thanks a lot. After my parents, I treat them in my heart that they are my second parents. Not even brother or sister also. Really I'm telling it from my heart about this. Really, Sandeep, Shruti, thanks a lot. And Sam and Minati also. First time what Sandeep told, right, first time when they have come to our home, after I told my challenges in the business, Sam told one thing, that line, it went into my mind like anything. Sam told that, Ravina, if you have any concerns like this, let me know. Sam and Minati told. Minati told it repeatedly. Second time she told that, if you feel like any challenges or any small things are like late night I can't stay away, you can just inform us, we will take care, she told. So I thought, oh, it's not about only Sandeep and Shruti, only these appliances. If not one appliance, we can go back to the other. At that moment I understood that we need to connect to all the appliances so that if not one, we can go with other, because always I cannot be with, directly I can't tell them that this is what I'm having, this challenge, that challenge. So clearly remember, and another thing Sam told is like he told where did you get that curtain. So now also we have that curtain, always I remember that curtain. He just wanted to connect one thing, so that only I also implement after. If any new downlines whom I go, I try to pick one thing and I'll ask either the kids, connecting point I'll see. So I clearly remember all the things initially what happened, and this is not the ending, this is actually the beginning of our journey. We both are strongly deciding that we will have 12 growing legs with 20,000 group PV, this is done deal. So even if you ask my daughter also, she will tell how many legs, 12 legs. How much PV, 20,000, thousands PV she will tell. My team also knows what she speaks. So really very fired up. I was leaving her like anything at home, and I was going, initially I was feeling very tough, but in one event Tanuji told how they will feel. I tested her, I was hiding in balcony, I left. She was absolutely fine. After I left, I was thinking she would be crying. For 1 minute she was searching, then she was playing. So I'm really blessed to have her also in my life, and now also I'm really enjoying my life, and we want to achieve higher levels of this business, and we will prove our appliance that we are the best organization. And last but not the least, we are having fantastic team. The relationships, the bondings between our team, ladies, guys, it's too amazing. They work more than us, they work hard for our platinum ship. So we are really happy about you all guys and girls. We will prove that you have got best appliance. So with this done, and back to Badri, because of Badri only I am here. Really very happy to have him in my life.
This are there, why am I? Anytime I have a thought? We thought. We re-sponsor ourselves every day, every month, every year. We re-sponsor ourselves. Doesn't matter what are the situations, doesn't matter. We re-sponsor. Why am I? Trust me guys, there is no other opportunity is available in the world. Full stop. That's it. Period. I mean, I'm really blessed to have such a wonderful LYS, Hari Ramya and Sandeep Shruti and Sam and Nirti. Trust me, before Hari I got so many calls. I got so many calls just because of Hari. I came to the BPS. Thank you, Hari. I know God has given me chance, a last chance maybe. You called me, I came. It's really, whenever I see the ratings, the first thing, when I became platinum, first thing I saw it, man, thank you, Hari. Because of you, I am here. If you are not there, might be I am watching some HBO English movie. Trust me. That is what we used to do. Come back from office. I am very good at technical. Till now, I don't have any issues with my office. Trust me. I am very good at technical. I do. If my manager asks me to do it, I do it 2 days before only. Doesn't matter. I can track it. That God has given me that much. Till now, I mean, even my upline knows. I don't have any issues with my office. Trust me. Lot of people think that Amway business, how can you do it in office? No. I learned a lot of things in Brick Worldwide I implemented in my office. What does it mean? Amway business makes you in business also strong. You will make money in the business also, in your job also. Trust me guys, with the learnings, what you are learning in a Brick Worldwide, what you are learning from uplines, cross lines, it's not only to apply in a business, you can apply it in everywhere. Second thing, when Hari Ramya, see how this business is very excellent. See, if Hari Ramya has not taken a step, man, one open meeting, I don't know what happened. One open meeting, after open meeting, Hari promoted. Sandeep Shruti, we are going 10,000. We are going 10,000. Man, Hari, you want to? I connected Hari, immediately I came up. I said, Hari, I want to be I want to complete 5001 PV. Shruti was laughing at that time. If Hari and Ramya has not taken the decision to go, I was also done. Previous month my PV is like approximately 600, 700. Don't think like my PV is for 4,000, so that's why I committed 5,000. Thanks a lot, Hari. You have given me every time. Make me challenge, make me work, make me understand what it is next. Trust me, I mean, you intentionally, unintentionally, you have done very good job for me to grow internally, for me to understand. Have you seen Hari? Have you talked to anyone? Talk to Hari? Yes. Man, amazing personality. I'm 100% sure. I mean, some of my downlines have a clash with me. I mean, ask Chakri. Am I right, Chakri? Yeah. I scolded him so many times. Thank God, Sandeep. Sandeep connected him. He is not quit the business not because of me. Yes, because of Sandeep, he is still there. Now we have a nice relationship. Am I right? Yes. You cannot say no anyway. It's good. I was asking Sandeep, I know you have skills, okay? You tell me, let's say Sandeep is talking to, let's say you talk to Dhananjay, what sentences you use, same sentences you tell me, I'll also talk the same. Trust me. I asked, he is like, how it will work? Doesn't matter, I'll talk to him, I'll talk to you also parallelly. I tried all the things, doesn't work, only works books. He tried to tell me reading the books, but somehow actually my English skills are not good. I failed in my engineering. Can you believe? I failed in my engineering first year. Which subject? English. Second time I passed with a 41 or something else. I think the guy who was corrected just because somehow make him pass. I'm 100% sure. So, what I am saying, I am not perfect. I am not perfect. Trust me, guys. They came on the stage, they are talking only positive. You feel wow. It's not about positive. I am having lot of, I'm a short-tempered guy. Not now. I can understand. I was like, I'm not a people skills guy. What Sandeep said, I was not people. In the office also, I got an opportunity to go to technical side, go to manager side. I have never opted manager side. I said, you give me technical, whatever I'll do it. Why I'm talking about this? I am not perfect. I am not perfect at. But am I getting better? 100%. I am getting better. Trust me, the way Sandeep, the way Hari, amazing thought process. I learned some things from Hari. I learned some things from Sandeep. The all 4 basics and all things I learned it from Hari. One day, me and Hari was in Sandeep's home. 5 minutes. So, Hari said, we'll go to Forum Hall. I said, you want to go something? I went there and he took me to Landmark. I also went. And do you want to buy any book? He said, he knows, Hari, you know, Hari. I think our downlines will understand. He won't talk much, he will say, okay, we went and he talked to, he is looking for a book and he spoke to one guy and he took the number, that's it. And after that we came back. Hari, why we went? And he said, contact, now we can show the plan. Oh, this is what. See, my question is like, he has never took me again. See, I am not good at contacting, but he told me that what is to be done. Sandeep never showed me how to do follow-up. Sandeep never showed me how to do contacting. But I learned 4 basics from Hari. Thank you, Hari. The team which I created, it's not because of me. It's because of you. I apply the same things what you apply at the time. Same thing. But how I created the team, Sandeep. Trust me, guys. My team or Sandeep Surti's team can understand what Sandeep's brain is. If you are sitting with Sandeep 5 to 10 minutes, your life really goes to change. Doesn't matter what level you are, doesn't matter what position you are, your life is going to change. The best thing is like he has given me freedom. Whenever I go and I never agree directly. I argue and all the things. But finally, somehow I'll do. Initially, I'll do my own way. After that, somehow I'll do his own way. It's the results which I have. It's not Badri results. It's a Sandeep. Still, initially I said, now you tell me the lines, I'll use the same lines. I apply the same thing. Trust me, I apply the same thing. If any of my downline, same challenge, you call me, you call Sandeep, you will see the exact lines without changing the words by heart. It's good. The day Hari Ramya went 10,000. You won't believe our team has given so many demos to Ramya. I am 100% sure Ramya's bill is overcome the commission actually. Yeah, but she did like one call is like people are waiting in the queue. One call is over. Okay, Ramya next. Do you check Chakri? Yeah, I know Chakri is there. We were there together. They served us. We learned a lot. They served us. We never felt that they are upliners. Hari Ramya is like they always close to us, and whenever we talk, we never feel that they are upliners. They are correcting or they are doing anything. At the same time, Sandeep has a knowledge. You won't feel that you are corrected by someone, but Sandeep will correct you. Amazing guy, man. Trust me, Sandeep, I learned it from you. Definitely I want to continue. I want the same support, same thing I want for my life. Trust me, I will prove you that I am the best. I am the asset, not the best. That's where it adds value to you also. It's good. Come back to the business. Anyone has thought that why message came at 11,000? It's supposed to come by 10,000 or 9,500. I know someone might have thought, but no one has asked. Whom to ask? You won't believe, we were promoting, like the previous day I was with Sam. Sam said, I was talking to Sam, it will happen. And I was seeing one side it looks like it's not happening. And I promoted other side. The PV is jumping, like everyone is putting, and I have not seen myself 10,000 plus. I have not seen myself 10,000 plus in my group PV. I saw Sunil Sai organization, they put 2. I saw myself, Pravina put 1. I saw Sarosh said they put 1. I saw Dhananjay said Siddhant put 1. What's happening? I am talking about wow. How many people have wow? It's not one single PV, na? It's not. That is, I was like, oh man, suddenly jump. First time I felt multiplication of our business. So many times we know that, logically we know that those many legs you have, that much you will get the benefit. I can see that day within 2-3 hours. I slept that day before night, 3 o'clock, I was planning, if this is not happening, what is the other circuit? I woke up at 6 o'clock, I sent a messages, I spoke to everyone. I closed the deal. In the meanwhile, whichever I thought it's not going to happen, that also happened. Obviously, PB will jump. Plan A, I thought it won't work. Plan B, both worked. It doesn't matter, it works. We have a team. Sometimes we feel like you are thinking that you are Sandeep Shruti are recognizing Badri Pravina. It's not Badri Pravina. Badri Pravina represent each one of our team. Trust me guys, one of my downline, I don't want to say all the names because we have a huge team. He is in hospital right now. His own member has some issue. He has closed like PV like crazy. He never thought that, I mean, oh man, I'm in a challenge. The good thing is like a lot of my team members are much higher level, much higher age. Most of the time, sometimes I learn it from them. You won't believe. I mean, Saroj is elder and he knows a lot of things. And Ravi Aruna, he is a general manager of one of the company. And Sunil Sai, he's a much experienced than me. I mean, I took, those are all elder, like I have huge team, you won't believe. It's not because of Badri and Praveena, it's because of the team it happened. We always say, how many times we heard, we build people, people will build our business. This we can clearly saw in our platinum last month. It's good. And last thing, so sometimes we go to Sam's home for counseling. So we were going. Nothing is happening. I hope Sam won't feel anything. One day Sam scolded me like crazily. You won't believe that. I mean, we were like, oh, what happened? Sometimes that slap is also important. Thank you, Sam. I never feel that, I mean, you did, like, initially I felt, I really. But on the way, by the time we reached the home, we were like, yeah, I know. If that is not the, you have not seen Platinum as a Badri and Praveena. I am giving you 100% rights on me and Praveena. You have a rights, like my father. Trust me, I am telling you in front of my team. Thank you taking, privilege and helping me to understand what I am lacking. I don't know you have remembered or not, but I know it, what you told. Because Sam has so much of team, I'm sure he might have not remembered. It happened, I think, I don't know. Yeah, long time over. More than 6 months. But, I told Sandeep also. I don't know, Sandeep remembered. What Sandeep? Sam is telling this. Sandeep laughed and he did not say anything. But it adds value. It doesn't matter. I understand what you are saying. It's good. Thank you for that. And we need the swing slapping. Still we go wrong. We want your help. I want you to treat as your kid. If your kid is doing something wrong, definitely you will slap. That slap is wrong. He has not slapped me. That is required for me also. I know I am not perfect. We want to reach near to the perfect. We want to prove that Badri and Praveena are assets to your organization. We want to add to your organization. Definitely, we will prove. Days come, it's not just started. We never think, today we are not thinking that we are platinum. Since platinum is done, it's past. Now it's like Ruby. That's what we are thinking, and 12 lakhs with Ruby, everyone knows, all walls of our home tells that 12 lakhs with 20,000 plus group volume. That's everyone knows in my team, that is Gandhi. And last, team. I know sometimes we have taken as a granted. Sometimes we also human beings. Sometimes we do mistakes. You have taken positive things from Badri and Praveena. Trust me. We want to prove you that we are the best upline to all your LYS. We want to prove you that we are the best. We want you feel that we are belong to the best LYS. I'm sure we are. It's not for you, it's for us. We want to do it for the better persons, better human beings, better. Definitely it helps you also. And we'll grow together. And I want each one of you are talking from the stage. I also want to see, I also want to feel like how Hariramya is feeling, how Sandeep Shruti is feeling, how Sam and Manati is feeling. I also want to have those feelings. Trust me, I am waiting for that. Let's together we'll make huge business in this world and let's make maximum out of Amway. It's good, na? It's good. Back to the Sandeep Shruti.
Is it recording, teacher? Recording, huh? Recording हो रहा है? Recording हो रहा है?
Yes.
Recording हो रहा है भाई? Everyone is recorded, huh? This is Sakri.
Nitin, what is the band here?
Take now. Don't see. Take it.
Oh.
Take it. Just a second. Yeah.
डीजे किधर है डीजे?
ये मुनीश्वर है मुनीश्वर. Video is there. Video. How to take photo man इधर? How to take?
Okay. करुणा इधर देखो. करुणा. Ready.
Smile.
Thank you, Aruna. Hari.
Boy.
I will also be there. I am coming now.
That's why he is saying.
Waiting for Hari. Hari.
Yes.
Yes. Start.
Before you start, Badri Praveena's team, big congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
We'll ask our team also to hold.
Start. No. Cut. We will help you in eating it. Don't worry. You start. We will finish it off.
Cut, yaar, cut. Who got the big? Dhananjay, is it necklace?
Necklace, yeah?
Eggless.
Sandeep.
Not eggy.
Hari.
इसको नहीं है. Egg absent.
Egg is absent.
I
Huh?
have my upline tonight.
Yes.
Congratulations once again.
We'll enjoy Bangkok officially now.
Oh, awesome cake, Dhananjay.
We'll have to leave, vacate quickly. Yes, when finished. Badri's team has to be collect the money.
Yes.
Huh? Evan?
Thank you, Adnan. Thank you. नहीं हो गया. They banned
Come
you.
here. See, I am recording. You have to eat it. See, one give to location. Arey, give one. Awesome cake, DJ.
Awesome cake, क्या?
Arey, bindas.
Attack from all corners.
All corners. Wait, we will take care. We will take care. हाँ बैटरी खत्म हो गया है